This is what we'll be running? Cool. That's awesome.
We'll watch this next group get on the dam, and then we'll go in and watch the horse do his thing.
AC drive.
Patch 6 DC.
DC? Let's see, right?
70s horns. Top of the hoist has a brake system going into it. As long as there's tension on the cable, the brake should release. As soon as there's slack on the cable, the brakes set. And they're pneumatic hydraulic.
Cool. How fast does this travel?
600 feet. 600 feet, maybe it's pretty quick. That's half speed.
So it'll go 1,200 feet. 1,200 feet a minute?
Yeah, but it's said not to be able to do that here. That system up there is a bridle. There's one on the top, and then at the
Has
bottom,
the speed right there, see?
this part here, yeah, it makes contact, and that's how the hoist computers
Tells you the position there, see it's 624 feet down.
knows if it's
Wait.
Right.
look from diesel boosting.
This is it right here.
Watch your step.
Your voice texted in.
Okay.
This is pretty cool. It's got windows.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. Window. Here we go.
So it is going to get completely dark. So if you need a light, tell me, I'll turn one on. I guess we have a little light.
I have a little light.
Okay, there we go.
Shine outside. That way you can see how fast we're going.
You guys are going to feel some pressure in your ears, so yawn or swallow, just as if you were flying. If you guys have ever been to the St. Louis Arch, we are going 20 feet deeper, and that is tall.
That's rough.
Oh, cool.
The arch doesn't go this fast.
This is 600.
No, it definitely does not go.
And it doesn't rotate either.
We're going, what, 600 feet a minute?
Yes. So it takes us a minute and a half. We are 50 feet away.
Seems very
How do you
smooth.
know that?
There's some beeping, like that ding dong, that lets you know you're 50 feet away.
It's leveling now.
Yeah.
Now there's a pretty view.
We are here at mine level, 650 feet. Oh, we got some miners. That's exciting.
Cool. Probably like, what's the light in the elevator for? Now we can see out of the elevator.
Okay, watch your step as you get out. What up?
All right, up it goes. That is pretty cool. Double-decker elevator.
Yep. There it
There it
goes.
goes. Here it is. The elevator's here.
Yep.
Nice. Now we get to go up. Let me get my flash.
Yeah, take a look at it real quick while we
Yeah,
can.
I can. I want to get a look at it while there's no.
Sorry, I can turn the light on.
Yeah, if you don't mind running the light, that'd be great. Oh yeah. Oh, almost lost my flash. This
Lost
is
your salt.
inside. Oh,
So
you got
there's the door.
That's the freight door right there. And these are the passenger doors. It's just a single sliding door. And we are the only ones in the elevator now, so we are going to go up. This is awesome. What do you think about this, Jason?
This is gonna be great. There you go.
Here we go up.
So are we on the upper level or the second one?
We are on the lower.
We're on the lower one.
Listen to it.
Starting to feel it in my ears. It's lovely.
We're back at the ground level. So what do you think about this, Jason?
This is pretty epic.
It's pretty cool. This is you said this is the bottom deck of the elevator?
Yes.
So you can see the top one. Yeah, there's the top deck right
That's
there.
the one we rode down on right there.
Yeah.
You can see it's a double decker hoist. Look, see? Double decker. Is it going back down?
No. Not yet.
All right, so
right.
there it is. Oh, look, there's a hoist mine. Wow. Is this the machine right here? Cool. 300 horsepower DC motor. This is the drum, right? Yeah. It's winding drum, so here it comes. Disc brake. Big old disc brake.
Yeah.
count. And they all have to match, that's why there's three of them.
So what you gonna gather 600-foot cable in a hurry, won't it? Man,
Yeah, like I said, that's fast.
as soon as you go in, it's coming back, it's
Going up now.
coming up now. How many of these hoists do y'all have? Is this the only one?
Well, that we have, this is only one.
Mine has